Human nature. We humans have always fancied we'll do better when we choose. It's a silly kind of faith, one we never seem to lose. Though we fight our millionth war since we first took stone to hand, somehow we can never stop. Our blood soaks every land. And it looks so easy to be a cooperative, rational race. Yet somehow, in our minds and hearts, peace never finds a place. Is it our very nature that is dooming us to fail? We must change this very nature to end all this travail. But no one wants to do that. It brings a chill of fear of the one thing that can save us and keep us humans here.